Pour water into a small saucepan and sprinkle the Knox plain gelatin on top. Allow it to bloom for 3 to 4 minutes. Heat on low, stirring constantly until the plain gelatin dissolves. Using 3 separate bowls, prepare the lime, orange, and cherry Jell-O, placing 1 flavor in each bowl. Add 3/4 cup of vodka into each bowl of Jell-O. Stir well to combine. Pour a 1/2 cup portion of the plain gelatin into each of the Jell-O flavors, stirring well to combine. Pour sweetened condensed milk into a large bowl. Add 1 cup of plain gelatin and stir well to combine. Divide the sweetened condensed milk mixture into 1/2 cup portions. Remove the chilled shot glasses from the freezer. Measure and pour 1 tablespoon of 1 Jell-O color into the glasses. Freeze for 5 minutes to set up. Continue to layer Jell-O and the milk gelatin mixture until all of the shot glasses are filled and set.